Hello all. Normally I would be doing an ASL sign language video, but I decided today to do a pendulum video with my spirit guide to ask about orange face dumpy pants. Okay, so let's kind of get into it. I was on my TikTok and someone had said that he will be unalived by someone close to him who is a woman. So let's ask my spirit guide, do you think that Donald Duck will be unalived by someone who is a woman? I've already calibrated, by the way, and they are saying yes. Thank you, do you think Donald Duck will be unalived by his health reasons instead? No, because that's what we've always been told, health reasons. Do you still think he has significant health reasons, health issues? Okay, thank you. So someone said a woman around him is the one who's going to unalive him. Do you know the name of the woman that will carry out that act? Okay, can you spell her name? Let's see if I can get this all here. T H E the W O M the woman T H A that YOU A RTAL talking about is DONA Donald TR Donald Trump OW own WIFEMA Melania. So you saying that his wife Melania is the one that will take him out? Okay, thank you. And I don't want to make this video too long for my YouTube channel, but anything else that you want to tell us about when? Do you think he's going to be unalive by January 2026? Okay, thank you. Do you think it's going to be some sort of something in his food that he eats? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Do you know how she may possibly unalive this man? Okay, thank you. Can you spell out what you're saying about him being unalived? How Melania will take care of this act? Melania, I will not you put SOME something in his food. But she will use SOME, some, KI, kind, O of, POIS, some kind of poison? Okay, thank you. Is it going to be detectable in his body? No. Okay, thank you. Do you think that the medical doctors will figure it out? No, thank you. Do you think the medical doctors, staff, whatever, American people will think he just died of natural causes? Okay, thank you. Anything else pertain to Donald Duck? Because like I said, I don't want to make this too long. I can make another one, but okay, what's your other message about him? G O and Donald G Trump W I will N O not MAK make it THR through TH the E and of T the MO and the month O of January 2026. Okay, thank you. Do you think Congress will pass this article? What is it? Article 2, Section 4, or whatever it is, to get rid of, impeach the whole administration? Okay, thank you. Do you think Kamala Harris is going to come back and actually be the rightful winner of this election? Okay, thank you. Do you know, will she be back in the month of January? No, will she be back in the month of February? No, the month of March. Okay, so you're saying she'll come back in the month of March 2026. Okay, thank you. Maybe a couple more questions before I end, so we have some more clarity, or anything else you want to say about Donald Duck? Yeah, okay, thank you. So not at the moment. So I will end this video, and let me know what your thoughts are.